So what's your name?
Hi, I'm Rob Goodlatte. I'm a product designer at Facebook.
And tell me what you did with Facebook-me.com.
So Facebook, we're actually going to shoot for Facebook.me, but right now we've just got Facebook-me. It was a hackathon project, which is an internal kind of hacking event that we have at Facebook where engineers and designers just work on projects. And we had a specific hackathon for our Graph API. And so for ours, we decided to essentially build a version of Facebook that you can put onto your own website. So you can take your profile or have a public page and actually push that onto your own site. And so right now it's on Facebook-me.com, and what we're doing is we're just using the Graph API and we're building a very simple templating layer on top of that to build these nice themes on top of it. So here's like my profile, and it just has all of my actual Facebook profile content. And we have some other things too, like we have different themes. This is a photo browsing theme. So you could, if you're a photographer, or if you just want to share your personal photos on your own website, you could actually use something like this. What we've built is just a prototype. It's just kind of a showing developers what you can possibly do with the new Graph API. But this is actually not that difficult to build. Most of the work we spent building this was actually building our templating stuff, which is just a layer we put on top of the Graph API. The Graph API itself is incredibly simple and easy to use. So we have some other themes here. We've kind of showed up what it could be like if pages were to use these things. And so here we have a very simple page for Lady Gaga. She could actually have this on her own site. So something like this would be fantastic for artists or musicians because they can kind of completely control the experience on their own site. They can have all of their stream stories from Facebook, and they can also have comments and likes on all of those stories.
Any word on whether you personally think Facebook is going to adopt this as an official feature later down the road?
I can't really comment on that, but I can say that it was just 5 guys sitting in a room at Facebook, hacking on this. Literally none of the themes that I just showed you were even existed about 12 hours ago.
Okay.
So we've been up all night working on this, and it's just it's so early on to even talk about something like that. But we're always thinking of new product ideas, and we're always kind of prototyping things. That's actually a really kind of core part of our culture, is to just hack out new things and try things. But the really cool thing about this product is you actually don't need Facebook to release this product. It's actually buildable on top of the Graph API today. So anyone who wanted to do it could just do it right away.
Okay, cool. Thank you so much, Rob.
Yeah.